So this is where you can start looking at if you need to grease your drive line, etc. Now, a nice easy tip for greasing your drive line: you open up this cover, and as you can see, it's right behind the back window there. So you open this cover, and if we can see it down here, you'll see a grease nipple down here. Now, the best way to line up your grease nipples on the drive line is you open this cover up, and then you're going to look out your back window and slowly drive forward until this grease nipple goes from here to the top. Once that grease nipple is sitting at the top there, that means all the grease nipples underneath are going to be facing straight down, and it's going to be a lot easier to grease along that drive line. So that's just another handy little tip to keep in mind if you are greasing your crane. Alright, so that's a quick go over on the outside of the Franna. Okay, so if you have any questions, don't forget to drop us a line. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, thank you.